8 Celsius.
Okay. Follow Lakeshore to Pond. Eastern way.
Okay. Busy day today at all?
Not too bad.
Not too bad?
Yes, I'm going to walk up
Till 10 o'clock tonight?
Yeah.
Wow. What time did you start? Ah, not bad. Gotcha.
Lots of driving, you know.
Huh?
Lots of driving.
Yeah. Sunday.
Sunday, but the Blue Jays game is
Oh,
here.
there's a Blue Jays game. Ah, I see.
Busy on too slow. I will go home early.
Yeah? Am I your biggest ride?
I don't know. Not sure. I had $35 ride.
Oh, very good. From where? Like downtown to...
Yeah, from Coxwell to the Toronto Western Hospital.
Oh, yeah. Okay. So it's $35? That's not bad. Not bad.
Average fare is around $15.
Yeah, it's gone up, eh? Gone up. But I don't ever call Uber. I'm old school. I like my Beck cabs. I don't know why. I have taken with like my son. He likes the Uber. The young guy, the kids. Yeah, well, he's not a kid, but I don't know. I'm not. But then the cab company should lower the rate, I think, to match, like to gain back customers, or something. I don't know. Oh, we could have went even further east on it. What's that?
Everything expensive here.
It is true. Or they should provide like I don't know how they can track it. Like how stores will, like if you keep using the same company, they give you points. Collect
Some
points.
Kind of,
Incentive.
bonus.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So if you get certain rides, then after that they get a free ride or something.
Or redeem points for the ride, I think that would be something. Yeah.
The competition world, eh?
Yep.
Everything is competition.
Yeah.
Money makes money.
Money makes the world go round, they say. Right? Or sometimes it doesn't, because like
Some people catch
there's
too much
clean
money.
money and dirty money, right?
There's dirty money too, for sure.
More dirty money than clean.
Yeah, I think so. The rich people find a way to go around.
Yeah. There's no gas stations downtown anymore like they used to be.
Not too many. But... And there's not many, man.
No.
There's one Spadina, there's a couple.
Where are you going now? Oh, we can go up this way? Oh, I thought this was closed for repair.
No. One lane is open.
Oh, I
This is
see.
Eastern Avenue, right? Eastern take us to
Ah. Cool.
These are the quickest routes. There's no streetcars from Western to the Eastern.
Yeah, I like this. I don't drive, so I don't know these roads. Like, I cycle, but... Yeah, I like to bike ride in the summer. Neat. Good, yeah, good exercise. Good exercise. Oh, there's a new bridge. go to Hey. Yeah.
So you live in Toronto all the time?
Born and raised. I grew up in a Polish area. Roncesvalles.
Roncesvalles,
Yeah. I like it out there still.
European,
I still go there.
Ukrainian,
I love the cuisine. The food is so good.
Yeah, good, eh?
Pierogi, schnitzel, cabbage rolls. So good.
Yeah.
I just realized like they're finally upgrading, you know, the Ontario line and all that. So people that live in this area, if they have to take the GO train, they have to go all the way back, like over to Union Station, to get on GO train, and then they have to go back east if they're going eastbound. You know what I mean? That doesn't make sense. Now they can get on over here eventually. It's crazy. We're so behind, you know.
We are so behind for sure. We have done about 30 years back. 40 years.
Yeah, that's what I've been saying. It should have been done 30 years ago or more, and ready for today.
Yes.
It's weird.
At least they figured it out now.
Yeah.
Good for the people.
Yeah.
They need more underground lines. See.
No, I want above ground. I don't like underground. I think, you know, like in Europe, they have monorails. Like, it's
Above the ground?
above, like suspended. It's suspended. The track is on the roof of the train. The track is there. Like, you have to look it up. Monorail in Germany.
Oh, okay.
It's really cool. They have them in China. They have them in Thailand, or, you know, all these other countries. Above ground, above suspend. And you know what? Because it's so cool looking to ride, people will ride it more often. Is this paved?
Yeah, this way.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at all the movies, film studios are here.
Yeah, studios around here.
You know.
Leslieville.
Yeah, Leslieville. Normally, if I wasn't carrying so much, I would either walk, take the transit, bike today because it's raining. I don't know.
So, how far you can bike from there to here? You be able to bike?
Oh yeah, I biked all the way to Scarborough Bluffs.
Really?
Yeah, I've cycled all the way up to shops at Don Mills. Shops at Don Mills.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, Donuts and Lawrence.
Yeah. I go through the trail, you know.
The
Yeah.
trails.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I've done Lawrence Avenue West and what's that?
Yorkdale Mall?
Yeah, I've been up to Yorkdale Mall. I've been to before IKEA was downtown. I cycle out to Etobicoke and shop at IKEA. Put in my, you know, small things.
Yeah.
And strap it on my bike. I have basket and everything. Check out the main channel, Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C. I did a live stream later on in the evening that day, April 12th, 2026. Night walk, Leslieville neighborhood to Brookfield Place, downtown Toronto. Total steps for the day, 12,080 steps. I buy the good bikes so they last long. It's just repair, flat tire, you know, all this stuff. It adds up.
Okay.
It's still cheaper.
They're much cheaper.
Thank you to all the loyal members. I'm gonna just mention to the regular loyal members. So we have Peter, Dawn, Randy, Bear in the Garden, Kevin Butler. Most recent member is Deb's Crazy Daily. And shout out to Bear in the Garden, Deb's Crazy Daily for the gifted memberships. I really, really appreciate all your support. Thank you so much.